Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by saving a backup and closing other heavy apps so Media Encoder can breathe. First, check free disk space and file permissions. Locked files cause hangs. Once done, open project settings and temporarily switch to software-only rendering to isolate GPU issues. Make sure encoding presets match sequence settings, mismatched codec stall queues. If a GPU change is needed, restart Media Encoder after updating drivers so the new renderer takes effect and you can move to targeted fixes. Now you go deeper. Clear the cache and remove the job causing the stall. Corrupted cache often freezes progress. Next, reset Media Encoder preferences to rule out bad settings and update GPU drivers to the latest stable release. Drivers fix many hardware-accelerated hangs. Then export a trimmed clip of the same timeline to find corrupt frames or third-party plugin failures. If a plugin is at fault, disable it or render via software. These steps isolate whether the problem is project, system, or codec related. To finish, check Media Encoder logs and your system logs for exact error codes. This tells you why a render halted. If logs point to the project, try exporting from Premiere Pro or duplicate the sequence and export the duplicate to avoid hidden corruption. When time is critical, render in short segments and stitch them together to bypass the failing region. If rendering still fails, revert to software only, remove suspect effects, and retry. Troubleshooting tip: keep a small test export loop to confirm each change fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.